Hi, hello, Selena, this is me with some feedback for you. So I highlighted a couple of things, as you can see. So the startup is okay. As you can see also on screen, the have to is highlighted. Words suggest that you have to use more concise language to be clearer. So you can replace, if you started out with must, then you can replace the have tos with must. That is also correct and makes it a bit shorter. Then if we look at what I highlighted, how is it really going? Now you would say, how are young adults really coping? So it's about coping. So how are young adults really coping? Then it's not so much, you have to again rewrite this part so that here you would say at the age of 20 to 24, many people or many young people start college. So that is the structure. So at the age of 18 or between the ages of 18 and 24, that would even be better, I think. Between the ages of 80 to 24, most young people start college. Here it's not the besides, but in addition, and then I wouldn't say of, in all age groups, not of all age groups, but in all age groups. So this should be an in. So, and then in addition, in addition, in all age groups, a depressive disorder. Then here you can again use have to, and the suggestion with the last number is just many. You can also make that more concise if you want to. Which cause, no, here when I see here, it seems that the focus group causes, talking in a focus group causes stress, which is of course not the case. It emerged from different focus group, that there were different, have emerged from different focus groups. That stress is the main cause for mental suffering, or that stress is the main cause, not that it's caused. Yeah, like I said, now it looks as if the focus group conversation causes stress, but that's not the case. I think you want to say here that have emerged that stress is the most common cause, stress is high among young adults. That could that stress is high among young adults, or that young adults feel a lot of stress. Well, that is something that you should use here. Main reasons for stress are, so I think that's just okay, but I don't think the colon is needed, so you can leave out the colon. You don't have to use a colon here. So, not under the perfect picture, but I would say in the perfect, in the perfect picture. So this should not be under, but in the perfect picture, almost everything comes together: being beautiful, successful, and healthy. Then comma, having fun, traveling to far places, not far travel. That's not, you can't combine it in English. So traveling to far away places, having a large group of friends, because you have to use the word having here, because you can't say being a large group of friends, so you have to use a verb, put in an extra verb: having a large group of friends, a good figure, and a beautiful skin, because with these the word having belongs. So I'll just pop that in here. So having a large group of friends, having a good figure, and a beautiful skin. So then it's all complete. So it's like being, you can be beautiful and successful and healthy, and then have fun. Also here you have to include have, not there, sorry. Also here you have fun, travel far, yeah, so that you should turn it around, and then having a large group, etc. This I didn't really get. Your young people mirror ideal images, and do the young people not forget about the future? If that is the case, then you should add something like, and they don't forget about their future career, so that young people mirror ideal images and always think about their future career. I think that would be better here. And here it's not themselves, but not only they. So this could just be they, not only they, these young people, but also others expect too much. Then this is a better paragraph. So you have problems at home, illness, arguments in itself, that is not a thing. You can have arguments, so that is having problems at home, having arguments, but I actually would leave it out, because problems at home also implies that you have maybe fights at home, that you can't get along with your parents. So to be honest, I would just technically delete this. It doesn't add anything extra. Here it should just be a comma. But the sentence is okay. At home, 2 world problems. So that is part of the same sentence. And then here you go a bit overboard. So the sentence should read: be sure to watch our video. And if you know someone who has gone through mental problems, and if you do not know how to and if you do, or if you and if you do not know how to deal with it and help them, then listen to the podcast where all kinds of tips are shared. So this needs a bit of a rewrite. Maybe that's already done, completed in the flyer, I don't know, or in your online version. But here, this sentence doesn't run very smoothly. So be sure to watch, and if you know someone who has gone through some mental issues, or has gone through some mental problems, and if you do not know how to deal with it and help them, then listen to the podcast. Okay, well, that was my feedback. Hope that helps, and good luck with rounding off the module. Bye.